Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi, and if you're new, my name is Brenda. So what we're gonna be doing in this video, I'm gonna show you my back to school clothing haul. I'm very excited to show you guys what I have gotten for school this year. So let's start off with shoes. I'm sure you guys know I love kids, so I went ahead and got these cute like denim blue Keds. It has like a accent of, I would say, like a neon pinkish, and they have little pineapples, so they're so cute. The next pair I'm gonna show you is also Keds. Now I'm only gonna show you one pair because I mean it's just a simple white. I had my other white pairs, but unfortunately they have moved on to a better life, so I got new ones. So the next pair I got are these Adidas, what are these? Adidas match courts. They're skate shoes. I had to get them in the toddler section because apparently no one that skates has a small foot. I love the toe cap. The rubber toe cap and the insole because it's so cushiony on my foot, and the stripes. So I'm gonna show you guys the backpack I got. So it's a North Face backpack and it's so cute. It's from the Luxe collection and it's called Jester. It has rose gold detailing and it's just so freaking bomb looking, and I thought it was so cute. So that's why I got it, and I mean it was really comfortable. Oh, and I forgot to mention I will be leaving links in the description box. Okay, so I obviously got some Hollister jeans. They're my favorite jeans ever. These in American Eagle. That's all I wear. So I got these. They got a stripe down the side and it has like distress on like the part of the knees, but for me it's not the knees because I'm so damn short. So, and then I just got this other pair. Nothing too crazy about this. It's just jeans, and they were on sale because a bitch always trying to save money. And then I got these American Eagle pants. I don't know if you call them jeans because they're not jean material, but these are the most comfortable jeans I currently own. And these, I don't know if I'd be able to leave a link in the description, just simply because they were on sale, so they might not be available anymore, so I'm not gonna do you guys dirty like that. So there, as you guys can see, there's a lot of distress on these jeans. These, I don't know how they would pick up on the camera, but these are more of a pinkish type of color. They don't have a pink undertone. It's a really light pink. Obviously, since it's always freaking hot over here, I had to get some shorts. Now these are American Eagle shorts. They're so comfortable, and then I got them in white. Okay, so I went on the ASOS website and I love ASOS, so I had to purchase some things from them. So this is by the brand Pull and Bear, and it's like a deep v-neck, not too deep. It's just a plain black shirt, has like a slit right here, and this I will wear to the side, so I wouldn't wear it like this. It'd be more like to the side, showing a little bit of a bralette underneath. So then from ASOS I also got this Converse long sleeve. As you can see, it's just so cute. I'm sure this will still be available if you guys are interested in. The next shirt I got was from Pyramid Country. It's a skateboarding brand. So it's really soft and it's just so comfortable, and it's a unique design, graphic design. So then I got this white shirt, and it's Adidas. Gons created this artwork. So it's just a simple shirt, but it's so comfortable and it just looks so cute. And then this is by COS. So you guys will see a lot of long sleeves as well in this video, and it's just because since I am going into my fall semester, I wanted to get a lot of like wintry cute long sleeves that were on sale for fall. So this is a ASOS, and it's by the ASOS. It's just a striped 3/4 quarter sleeve. And then I got this sweater. This is the back, so it's a deep V in the back. And this is just also for off the shoulder. Why are you staying? And then I got this other, just a green striped shirt, crop top. It looks so cute. From American Eagle, I got this, like, it's called they called it a waffle color shirt. It's just a long, the back has a little bit like of a tail, and it's just so cute, so I liked it. And it's really soft. From American Eagle, I got this tank top, and it's just so cute. And then I got this shirt that's also tie-dye. It's like the previous waffle color one, but it's a t-shirt and it's a v-neck and it doesn't have a pocket, and it's super soft as well. I don't think you guys know this, but I really do love tie-dye. I know it doesn't look like I love tie-dye here, but I do have quite a lot tie-dye. Okay, so I only got 2 new dresses. One of them was given to me by my sister-in-law. It's this cute dress by Forever 21. The other dress I got is also by Forever 21, and it's like this mint green dress, and it's just really comfortable to walk in. So the last thing I'm gonna show you guys is I got this Polo Sport, and this is a vintage item. So it's a cute Polo Sport long sleeve. It was just a nice shirt that we found at Wings Closet, which is a vintage store, and it was really cute and I really loved it. I'm sorry if it seemed like I'm going a little bit fast showing you guys everything, but I didn't want to make this a 30-minute video, and I just wanted to go through it as fast as I could, but yeah, show you guys how the clothing looks. Now if you guys would like me to try the clothing on or do like a lookbook with the clothing that I bought for school, then just leave that down in the comments, or I don't know, however you guys want to express. That's basically it for today's back to school clothing haul. And I'll also do a morning routine video, and I'll go ahead and do a what's in my backpack. So yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, share so our community keeps on growing, and then go follow me on Instagram, add me on Snapchat. And as always guys, have a great day. I hope you guys enjoy going back to school. Bye.